Hi, in this video we are going to understand how we can looping JavaScript each character in a loop. So now we can understand using example. Now I have one string str and value JavaScript. Now I want to looping each character using a loop. For that, let value of str. Now here I iterate each character of str. Now I here print out console.log value. Well, now I run this file. Now checking out in console JavaScript JAVA, each character is extract and print out in a loop. So this way we can get in a loop each character of string.